Welcome back to Balabas Gist. Remember the guy where they call Ijele, where once saying go buy Mazi Nnamdi. They say the guy don't cry woto today. He said that why Showore go come outside say one protest for Mazi Nnamdi. He say make Showore carry and come for Imo State saying go show am shege. No be smart, you know. I go play the video when in they cry. He quickly run enter one timbone where they do pipe. Come they show saying a bomb in the sea for that side though. My people, no be smart thing. We go play the video as he tell they cry, and we will show you the video of the protest as he tell they go. I beg you share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section as you don't read.
Ndara we are in Aba today. Maybe like say their nonsense protest don't finish. I bet where the 1 million madmen day. Where the 1 million madmen day? You know, I was trying to find out if truly we have up to 1 million madmen in Abia State. Yeah. Me, I for done wrong leave Igbo land today if they had gotten anywhere close. We on 1 million madmen. Man. Very useless set of people. And the biggest loser in all this is Showore. Look at the people you are yoking yourself with. Hear them a boon. Shame on you people. How many of you have marched for the victims of IPOB ESN? How many of you have marched for Nnamdi Kanu's victims? Ndara Thunderbobu. Very useless set of people. Now they make I see the 1 million people now. They reach 10,000. Oh, 1 million man match. Make I see the 1 million people. Hold them by their words, so hold them by their words. Next time now they will start small time they go start story. Not because they say it's 1 million. It does not mean it will be 1 million. Then why did you write it in the first place? Very useless and clueless criminals. Man. The million man march. We don't see on a march. March jukwenu n'ime River Niger. Man. Majuchakwa no ọta mmiri. Mo de richakwa unu niile. Kebe she waited these useless people eji surround obe mad. Where are all these madmen from? Like, una no get shame? No, na talk say, oh, if they touch it Nnamdi Kanu, then Nigeria go burn. This one go happen. Where they don't jail am, they Sokoto now. What you they do? Na Faba una come the match. Why na no go Sokoto go the match there? Mumpam. Like I said, the way me na bad there. Okay? Keep that rubbish. Unu na Alex Oti na Ezuzu ya na Abia State. Na Ezuzu ni na Abia State. If a bunny people allow you people do it there. Oh, don't mind that Enugu people are not stupid to tolerate this nonsense. Definitely, it will not work in Imo State. Like I better muddy she doing na. Make on set that match for Were. See if I no go arrange matching for all the victims of IPOB ESN. Try it. Try it. Umumpama. Umuokoko. Come and match it in Imo State and see if we will not put the same program, but now it will be victims of Nnamdi Kanu. I dare Showore to come and lead it in Owerri. If he dare alive, go make I hang myself. Do they hear me? I'm saying it openly. I am daring Showore to come and do this match in Imo State. See if I will not bring out the same victims of Nnamdi Kanu and match. Maybe. Useless set of people. Una no get shame, like una no the fear. People are still crying, mourning for their family members that these people buy. And the person responsible for it is the person for whom you want to come. Biano match here nowhere. I do it like this. So come and match it in nowhere. Biagodun, like let us test. Akunu chori sinunu chori test. Ndi mwe power na anibu. Ndi bianti godun ya Imo State. I am daring you people. Put it in Imo State and come and match it. Let me see. Obu no zunu obara. IG obara Sadi State man obohom. Call your eye pencil. B44. The rest of them. I say, make honor come do your Nnamdi Kanu matching for Were. This one we me day. Jano match go there no Were here. Umuewu. Come and match it in Were na. Or ibiakwa na on social media na akana kochakwara nke onu. Come and match it in Owerri. No, critics news. They are not destabilizing any about. Aba people want it. You dey hear me? Aba people want it. So let them be doing it there. Are you understanding me? Aba people actually want it. This is not a joke. This is not a joke. The Abia State governor doesn't care. If he did, why would those people be in Umochi LGA? Go to Umochi and see what is going on there. Go to Umochi in Abia State and see what's going on. What Innocent Oji and co were doing in Ohofia then, times 5. Times 5 wars of it is happening in Umochi local government. Are you telling me that Alex Oti is not seeing it? Are you telling me Alex Oti is not hearing it? Are you telling me that Alex Oti is not aware of what is happening in Lokpanta? In Agwam na Alex Oti amaghị na-eme na Lokpanta. Anoreba na support ihe ọjọọ. Keeping quiet, you know, they'll be discussing it as if there is anything political about it. No, this is criminality. This is criminality. You Oshika Haji this thing is. Okay? Oshika Haji this thing is for because it's politically expedient in other states. In Abia State. That's why they are doing like this. We are waiting for them to activate these remaining bingos for 2027. Like Mebuhunu. If on a no collect. Because ultimately, this is just for election purposes. Okay? Since Alex Oti wants this, let it be for him and let it be for his state. Let it be for him and let it be in Abia State. To welcome to Imo State. It was said there. Okay? Here, routine and welcome to Imo State. It was that rubbish there. Are you understanding me now? Wasanu that rubbish in Abia State. Unu zuzugide ruo na Abia State. Une debi ya dia. Onye me eriri ya rute n'Imo State. Aigwo ya ara. If you carry your madness into Imo State, we go cure your craze. Of course, Showore is using them to catch crews. Will Showore say he doesn't know the evil these people have committed? In fact, Nnamdi Kanu's trial, they even read Sahara Reporter's article into the judgment. So what is he telling us now? That he doesn't know what these people have been doing, or he didn't know that Nnamdi Kanu is a criminal? Oh, they buy your cousin in Aba. Just imagine. One of the ESN leaders is living at Okigwe Road. Okigwe Road is as popular as Uguta Road in Onitsha. Okay? Okigwe Road is a popular place. Let me block one also. Your Ibudinegi is biting more than it can chew. Who? You people. unu ndị Biafra taa gbafuo nonsense gbara gbakpujuo n'okpuru trailer ụmụ anụmanụ were na isi jee trailer wage. What will you do? Ndị oshi criminals, what exactly would you do? Ke unu ga-eme unu na-emebe? Na innocent people na dey fine soft target. Una no say me I no soft na. My brother, Akwanne, let them march to Sokoto. If they were marching this thing in Sokoto where Nnamdi Kanu is, me I no go get problem. Me I no go get problem. Let them go take this thing to Sokoto. This is where Nnamdi. In fact, this is why many of us wanted him to be in the far north. So you people will go and show your formidable there. Useless people. They will touch him. They cannot jail him. Ijele go near Guinea. They don't jail and waiting shop. Nothing. Akwa no sufu ani gba ku nnoko eme mkpọtụ. Obe odie akwa azu aka dị na mmiri. Azu na-ezuzu ọ na mmiri ya gwa mu na iberibu na ọ carry her south east. Or carry her southeast.
Arrest them. Others can continue. We need to run.
Life and direct in Aba. Show me life and direct in Aba. Show me life and direct in Aba.
Kanu. Where's on? We started without thinking we can start today. But the message has been sent all over the world.
Yes. Thank you.
Nnamdi, Mazi, Nnamdi Kanu was on. Whether you like it or not.
Yes.
It is time to let Mazi Nnamdi Kanu go. Listen to us. We know how to make them listen to us. Jesus Christ is a revolutionary too. Prophet Muhammad is a revolutionary. Yes. So the people who are using religion to divide us know that the people who they say are their forefathers in religious war are revolutionary. Yes. So we have no business not being revolutionary too. Yes. We are tired of oppression. 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 We are tired. We are tired. We are tired. If you are tired, let us meet again tomorrow. Yes. We will meet again regular. We want the police or the army, Navy, civil defense, Boy Scout, West Brigade, Vigilante, anybody there, nobody must touch our people. Yes. If you touch anybody, you know what happened to people touch us in that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Nnamdi Kanu now. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. I can't hear you. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Free Nnamdi Kanu now.
And this is Mazi man.
Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Free Nnamdi Kanu now.
My people, when I don't see am as it dey happen, share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. Don't forget to see there for Barabas Gist as you dey watch. Make sure you share the video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section.